Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin, gather the necessary tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and a pair of tweezers. Ensure you have a clean workspace to avoid losing any small components. Start by powering off your Lenovo IdeaPad and unplugging it from any power source. It's important to ensure your device is completely off before proceeding to avoid any electrical hazards. Next, flip your laptop over to access the screws on the bottom panel. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove the screws. Make sure to keep them in a safe place, as you'll need them to reassemble the device later. Once the screws are removed, use the plastic spudger to gently pry open the bottom panel. Be cautious here, as you want to avoid damaging the clips that hold the panel in place. If you encounter any resistance, double-check that all screws have been removed. With the bottom panel off, locate the keyboard connector. This is typically a ribbon cable that connects the keyboard to the motherboard. Gently lift the connector using your tweezers and disconnect it. If you're unsure, consult the user manual for your specific model to identify the keyboard connector. Now, it's time to remove the old keyboard. Depending on your model, the keyboard may be secured with additional screws. If so, locate and remove these screws. Afterward, carefully lift the keyboard from the chassis, taking care not to damage any surrounding components. Before installing the new keyboard, it's a good idea to clean the area. Use a can of compressed air to blow out any dust and debris that may have accumulated inside your laptop. A clean workspace ensures better performance and longevity of your device. Now, take the new keyboard and carefully position it in place. Make sure all clips align properly and that it fits snugly into the chassis. If you're unsure how to secure the keyboard, remember we offer a professional diagnosis without obligation if you need further assistance. Reconnect the keyboard ribbon cable to the motherboard. Ensure it's securely connected, as a loose connection can cause functionality issues. Once everything is in place, replace any screws you previously removed to secure the keyboard. Reattach the bottom panel, ensuring all clips are engaged. Finally, replace the screws that hold the panel in place. Before you power on your Lenovo IdeaPad, double-check that you've reassembled everything correctly. If you prefer not to handle this yourself, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making the process hassle-free for you. Now, power on your device and test the new keyboard to ensure all keys are functioning properly. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out. We provide a quote before repair, so you know what to expect without any surprises. In summary, replacing the keyboard on your Lenovo IdeaPad is a straightforward process if you have the right tools and follow the steps carefully. With a bit of patience and attention to detail, you can breathe new life into your device. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.